This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Michael Porter. This home was damaged during Hurricane Ian. It would need a roof and interior repairs. The lot is an oversized 90 by 90 lot with western rear exposure. Seawall was just repaired before the hurricane, making it ideal for your new dream home. There are newer construction homes on the same block with sale prices over $3 million and built on 60 Wide Lots. This is a rare chance to purchase in Matlacha Isles, just minutes to open water and the best fishing in Southwest Florida. No bridges, just minutes to open water, oversized lot, utilities in place. What more could you be looking for? For more information, review the details below.